How to transfer Agoda Cash to a bank account. Or is it actually possible to transfer from Agoda Cash to your bank? The short answer is no. Agoda Cash cannot be directly transferred to your bank. But here are some smart ways to turn it into cash. First, you can try refunding a booking. Use Agoda Cash to book a refundable hotel. Cancel within the refund period. If Agoda refunds to your original payment method, you might get cash instead of Agoda Cash. Next option is by visiting Agoda Help Center. Ask if they allow withdrawals in special cases. Last option is to sell your Agoda Cash. Basically, book a hotel for a friend or a family member. Have them pay you in cash or bank transfer. Agoda wants you to spend Agoda Cash on bookings, but these options might help you turn them into real money.